Hi guys! Ganahan jud ko ng mga what's in my bag videos. So karon kay medyo bored man ko. So maghimo sa tag what's in my bag video. So this is my bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB bag in neon pink. Mura siyag small lang taon pero daghan kag mabutang diri. First is my mask. So, terrified kayo ako sa pollen diri sa England. And I think it's pollen season now. So, I always have mask in my bag. Next is this Pink Beauty. My sunglasses from Dior. Next is ako ang ganahan nga tint. So, pwede na ako siya mabutang sa akong cheek, pwede sa akong lips. Dili ko ganahan anang loud kayo na makeup. Ganahan dyan ko aning tint, Benetint. Next is this one is my favorite blush, Rare Beauty. So, in the shade Hope. So, mao niya akong gamit ron. I'm still learning how to do makeup or how to put in makeup. Next are my AirPods. Next is my happy purchase from Hong Kong Disneyland, my Lina Bell mirror. Oh, cute! Pink and rose pink. Cute kayo. Lipay kay ko ani. Hi! So, my happy purchase. Next is my current favorite scent from Tom Ford. It's the Soleil Blanc. I don't know if I pronounced it well. So, akong ganahan na scent kay mauni siya from Tom Ford or the Blooming Bouquet from Dior. Ganahan siya ko ani. Di ko ganahan na ng isog kaya because I don't know, it smells kind of corny and maka-headache. So, and speaking of headaches, pirmi ko labdag ulo. So, I always have medicine with me para sakit sa ulo. And then, this one, kung I have indigestion, Rene tablets. And I have asthma, so I always have inhalers with me in my bag. So this is my Foster inhaler and this is my reliever inhaler. And I have this lozenges. I bought this in Philippines when we went this year, and I don't know, di ko ganahan makasakit, so I have many medicines around. And this one is kind of surprising because murag dili ka magtuo nga naa ni sa akong bag or someone who has a pink bag, my med pack, and inside are my EpiPens. So my doctor prescribed this to me before we found out that I don't have a food allergy. So, thank God I don't have food allergy, but just in case, I carry my EpiPens with me. And this has traveled also to Philippines this year. And lastly, I have my rosary. I feel safe whenever I have my rosary. I like to pray. Praying keeps me sane these days and keeps my anxiety, and it keeps me calm because I have anxiety. So it's really important for me. And here you go. This is my what's in my bag. I hope you enjoyed. And actually, many people are hesitant to buy this because they think it's really small, but no, it actually fits